Hey everyone, welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to create a weather tool in Kaman AI step by step. With this tool, when a user provides a city name, it will return the current weather information for that city. First, let's start by creating the tool itself. To begin, click on the Create button and then select Tool from the options. Here you'll see two options. You can either chat with the tool agent to guide you through the setup, or you can proceed manually. In this video, I'll do it manually so you can see each step clearly. Next, we'll configure the base URL and define the function logic. Start by putting the base URL. For this example, I'm using the base URL of weatherapy.com. Next, define the function logic that will call the Weather API and fetch the data. This function will be responsible for getting the weather details whenever a city is provided. Now let's define the inputs and outputs. For input fields, I'll add "city," since the user will give us a city name. For user fields, I'll add "key," which is the API key from weatherapy.com. And for output fields, I'll add "location" and "current," which represent the city information and current weather details. On the next screen, fill out the basic information about the tool. Give it a name like Weather Info Tool, write a short description explaining that it fetches real-time weather for a given city, and set the version. Click Next, then Review, and finally, Publish. And just like that, the tool is created. Now, let's connect this tool to an agent. Go to My Resources and filter by agents. Select the agent you want and click View, or create a new one by clicking Create. Be sure to provide an agent name, detailed instructions, and select a model. Under the Tools section, look for the weather tool you just created and select it. Fill in any other details, then click Next, Next again, and save. Done. The tool is now attached to your agent. Finally, let's test it out. Click on the Chat button on your agent. Now just ask something like, "What's the weather in London?" The agent will use the weather tool, fetch data from weatherapy.com, and return the current weather for the city you asked about. And that's it. We've built a weather tool in Kaman AI, connected it to an agent, and tested it in real time. You can extend this same method to create any kind of API-based tool, not just weather, but also news, finance, or any utility you can think of.